Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another Google Translate package inside Python which integrates the functionality of Google Translate API without any API key. You can translate sentences from one language to another unlimited number of times. So this is actually the package in Python. Let me show you. If you go to the website py, this is the third party packages searching website for Python. Just search for the package here, Google Trans. This is the name of the package here, an unofficial Google Translate API for Python. And the command is simple. You simply install this. I've already installed it. So you can see it's compatible with the Python 3.8 plus versions. So you should have at least 3.8 versions. You can see you can make unlimited number of calls to the Google Translate API using this package. So I've written the script here. I've given the script in the description of the video. So I've written a sentence in English language here, you can see. And now I will be translating to all the languages that Google Translate support one by one. So as I execute the script here, python app.py. So now what you will see, it will actually one by one go to all the languages in the world, and it is giving me the translations of this sentence that I written right here one by one. So with the help of this package here, you can see that all the languages that Google Translate supports. So I've written a simple for loop, and it is going one by one to each of the languages and giving me the translations. So this is actually the module. Now let me show you how to build this. So just create a simple Python script and just first of all import the package from Google Trans. You just need to import the translator and also the languages. So this gives you all the languages of Google Translate API. And here you specify which text you want to translate. You can just do it. It can be a file, it can be a sentence. For the time being, I'm just taking a simple example. Hello, how are you? And then we simply run a for loop, and this languages constant gives us the array here. It will loop through all the languages one by one, and inside this try catch try except block. So we will use this service translator, and then it actually contains this function translate, this package. And here you specify which text you want to translate. So text to translate, and the second argument here will be the source language. The sentence is in English language, and then the destination is, we need to specify language code. So it is running in the loop here. So one by one it is execute this. So after translating it, we will give a notification to the user that your sentence has been translated. If any sort of error take place, then we will also have the except block which will give you the error. That's all that we need to do here. The script is complete. You specify the sentence that you want to translate, and then we loop through all the languages. So if you execute now, the thing is that you can do it unlimited number of times, so there is no kind of restriction out there. So it is saying that translator is not defined. Sorry, we need to specify. I think we haven't. Yeah, so we need to initialize this translator engine. So just specify in this variable. So we initialize it, and now we can simply run this. So as you can see, it will again start translating in each of the languages. So this is actually the module, guy. I personally like it because it doesn't require you to sign up for any sort of Google Translate API. You can use it for completely free, unlimited number of time, and with this you can build any sort of application as well. So also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.